Is your engine about to fail? A compression test is a crucial diagnostic tool to assess the health of your engine's cylinders and prevent costly repairs. It measures the pressure buildup inside each cylinder, revealing the condition of critical components like piston rings, valves, and cylinder walls. Low compression readings indicate potential problems that, if left unchecked, can lead to catastrophic engine failure and thousands of dollars in repairs. A compression test is non-invasive and cost-effective, typically costing $50 to $200 for equipment versus $5,000 for engine rebuilds. Think of it as an early warning system, allowing you to address minor issues before they escalate into major breakdowns. First, prepare the engine by disabling the ignition system and removing the spark plugs or injectors. Next, insert a compression gauge into each spark plug hole. Then, crank the engine 4 to 6 times with the throttle open and record the peak pressure reading for each cylinder. Compare the readings. Normal readings vary by engine, but uniform readings across cylinders indicate good health. Significant variations suggest problems like worn piston rings or valve issues. Remember to consult your vehicle's repair manual for specific compression specifications. Recent innovations include wireless compression testers that sync with smartphone apps for real-time data logging and analysis, making the process even easier.